Assalamu alaikum dear students. Good morning. I hope all of you are fine. Today we are going to start our lesson 7. You can have a look on the title picture. What you are seeing over here. I think there is a patient and other persons who are treating him. So the title of the lesson is Not Only a Doctor, right? Not only a doctor means any person is not only a doctor. And this is taken from All Men Are Brothers, a portrait of Albert Schweitzer by Charlie Simon. I have already shared the vocabulary of the lesson for your better understanding. Many a poor dying creature turned away by the witch doctors and abandoned by his own pupil managed somehow to make his way to Albert Schweitzer Hospital or was brought in stealthily by night and left there. So there are so many people who are near to death, and some doctor in this passage they called these doctors witch doctor. Some witch doctors give statement that they are not in good health condition and they cannot treat it much more. So some people bring these patients to the clinic of Dr. Schweitzer, sometime in night and sometime daytime. Let them come, the doctor said. And what is the doctor's statement? Let them come. They are welcome. They are all welcome. My hospital is open to all sufferers. Sufferer means the people who are suffering from so many things. Here means diseases. So the statement of doctor, let them come in my hospital. Doctor always say welcome to all the patients. Those who could not be saved from death could at least be shown love and tenderness, and the end would be a little easier for them. He would spare them as much pain as he could. So there are some patients who cannot be saved from death because of their diseases, because of their health issues, but at least the doctor, the said doctor in this passage, attend them with very care, very much love. So the pain of the death would be a bit easy for them. In Africa, he could be honest with his patient. When he knew there was hope for a cure, he could explain it gently instead of giving false hope and pretending. So in Africa, the doctor always talked to his patients with very honesty, that if they cannot be treated well and if they cannot be cured, so he always told them truth, their true picture, other than pretending that they will be soon fine and this and that. Death to the African has always been something as natural as birth. African people always think that death is as natural as life. So it's not a new concept or not a terrifying concept for them. He can face it calmly when the time actually comes. So they face it with peace and calm whenever they come to their end. A doctor needs to conserve his emotional strength and energy so he can give the same attention to all. So conserve means protect. A doctor need to protect his patient with emotional strength. So as much potential, as much emotional power that he can give attention to all his patients with equality. But try as he would, Dr. Schweitzer could not put from his mind the immense piety and anxiety he felt for each patient. But Dr. Schweitzer was very much sensitive regarding his patients, and he always save his energy for his patient to feel their pain, to feel their tensions, right? He suffered with them in their pain and weakness. He always feel their pain as much they are feeling by their self. To him it had been very well worth any amount of sacrifice or discomfort well worth all the years of study and preparation to come here just to see the joy of those who had been plagued with sores after they had been cleanly bandaged, so they no longer had to drag their poor bleeding feet through the mud. So he always treated his patients very well. He always cleaned their sores. He always bandaged them in a well way that they should not drag their bleeding feet, their injured feet in the mud. And sweeter than any music was the contented cooing of a baby that had been crying in pain. Contented means to please, to satisfy someone. Cooing of a baby is very soft murmuring sound of a baby. So that was much more you can say reward for him. Any sound of any child, any murmuring sound for him, any patient, any child that is cured by him. Akheva, the word that means thank you, was often heard. The most heard word for the doctor was thanks. Many wanted to show their gratitude by giving gifts or offering what little money they could afford. So mostly people were thankful to him and they gave him you can say reward or thanks by bringing some gifts for him or by bringing a small amount of money as much as they can afford. One payment that mean a great deal was labor done for the hospital. And एक ऐसी अदायगी, एक ऐसी पेमेंट that was very much worthwhile was a labor by a patient, by a person for the hospital. An uncle of a boy that had been brought it covered with sore spent 14 days making cupboard for the hospital out of packing boxes. So the way of thank was different for the different persons. Like if any person can give any service in another way to the hospital, like a child's uncle, a boy uncle made cupboard for the hospital with the packing boxes. A black trader offered the services of his workers so that the roof of the doctor's own cottage could be repaired. So a black merchant, एक स्याह फार्म ताजिर ने अपनी जो लेबर है उसको रिप्रेजेंट किया, उसको पेश किया, जो डॉक्टर है उसकी ही कॉटेज की जो छत है उसको रिपेयर करने के लिए. The greatest reward of all came when after an operation was over and the patient had regained consciousness. The doctor felt a hand reach out of his own and cling to it. Cling means grip, to hold something, to hold someone. So for the doctor the greatest reward was a sound of the patient after the surgery, after the operation, when the patient came into normal condition, regained their consciousness, and it was with joy he heard the words, I have no more pain, I have no more pain. So for the doctor it was a great joy that whenever his patient said that now they are not feeling any sort of pain. It was at times such as this, he wrote in his report of that year. Usually doctors write their weekly, monthly or annual reports. So in his report of the year he used to write that he and his patient could sit side by side and feel that they knew by experience the meaning of the words and all ye are brethren. Right? So he wrote in his annual report that he and his patients can feel the same emotion, the same feeling, that is, yes, all are equal, all are brother, they all are brother. So the doctor was not only a doctor, he was also a good person. He treated his patient on the basis of equality, on the basis of humanity. I hope all of you have understand this. very well. In the next lecture we will start its exercise work. Thank you so much.